Hello, my name is Kim Gordon, and this is my newest project in the heart of Venice Beach, California. In this home, what you're going to see are long, skinny lots. The other thing that we have here is that we have floor-to-ceiling windows. So there's a lot to talk about and a lot to see. Let's get started. So when you walk in, you're greeted by this elevated kitchen. The house itself is really narrow, and I was trying to delineate the spaces so the kitchen didn't feel like it was slap up inside of the living room. So I made a step. Now we did a little trick here. We get to use the sophistication and cleanliness of marble up against the crunchy, gnarly barnwood. And this gives it this kind of sophisticated but artsy, boho, kind of Venice-y vibe in here. What's really interesting is this outstanding floor. They're handmade cement tiles, but a really, really rich color, which gives it a lot of movement. And another nice feature is this handmade structure, and then adding antique glass and antique mirror. And from this perch, you're able to see the entire house. Now, in the library, as you can see, there's amazing light in here. The windows are so fantastic in this house that we actually made a bookcase to kind of mimic it. It gives this room a real sense of symmetry. And I think one of the reasons that when they have parties that everyone congregates here is that the light is nice and the seating is very organized. And when you're done chatting in here, you can step through the French doors and onto the most romantic little patio with a fireplace. Is this back patio to die for? It feels like an extension of the house. It's super cozy and cute back here. And the fireplace adds a little heart, right? Adds a little heat. Now, to work with a tiny patio is to really work with scale. And I did a couple trippy things where I added these very large trees. But the trees themselves are lollipopping over this and giving us a cute canopy. The other thing we did was we took the tones of the floor from the inside and brought it out. So we ended up finding a lovely stone and was able to match some of the grout lines, and it really pulls the indoors right outside. And here is the master bedroom. I love its simplicity and how calming it is. Troweled walls are one of our signature kind of add-ons. We actually hand trowel some cementitious material and then wax it. So it doesn't have a super duper shine, but it really gives some depth and some movement to the walls. To achieve that indoor-outdoor feeling, we again have floor-to-ceiling windows and a terrific little patio out front that is just touching and just kissing the leaves outside. And a perfect marriage of this feeling of the antique and the modern really represented inside of the bathroom. One of the things I like most about this bathroom is you step up. And then once you're in the bathroom, there's yet another step that takes you to the bathtub. So it feels so grand and lovely. I think in all of my work, I really want people to feel like they've gone away. So if you can come home, disconnect and chill out, I really want the space to feel that way. And I think you get that here in this suite, in this space here. So there you have it. Boho meets modern meets industrial in Venice Beach, California. I'm Kim Gordon from Kim Gordon Designs, and just wait till you see our next project.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?